Hey, I'm Mark Childs. You know, the doc, an arty doc. And this is Lucy. Today's video is just a short clip with a big introduction. You see, I recently returned from an amazing trip to West Greenland, and I'm finally getting to go through some of my drone footage from this incredible place. One of our ventures was to the incredible Eqi Glacier, one of Greenland's largest and most active glaciers. Eqi is about 80 kilometers north of Ilulissat. Its fjord and the area of Disco Bay nearby is littered with huge icebergs, sometimes towering hundreds of feet tall. The glacier face is up to 200 meters high and over 4 kilometers wide. In summer, it calves huge icebergs, an average of every 15 to 30 minutes, making any close approach unsafe. But the calving events are dramatic, and the sight and sound of these huge skyscraper-sized blocks of ice crashing into the sea is one I will never forget. While a workshop boat kept a safe 2-kilometer distance, I was able to get up close with my drone, and the sight was nothing short of spectacular. I've already published a reel on my footage, but it really doesn't do it justice. So here, with just a 90-second clip in widescreen format, they may give you just a small sense of what it was like up close. And since it's such a short video, I hope you'll watch till the end, and then go below, like and subscribe, because it really helps this channel and us together grow. But more importantly, I'd love to hear from you and start a conversation. So please leave a comment as well. And if you want to learn more about this workshop and some of my other travels this year, check out the link above where I discuss 10 reasons why I think you should join a photography workshop. I think you'll enjoy it. Till next time.